Hello. Alright, so I was here earlier this morning. We got, the basic painting that was buried. And I looked for Gulliver and I didn't find him. The basic painting is something new, so that's pretty cool. Pretty happy about that. I gotta deal with Katrina. I forgot about that. I was like, oh, this will be quick. Actually, not that quick, but still quick. But yeah, I'm not gonna do the aerobics tomorrow. I know I said I'd probably do all of them this week, but I need to prioritize sleep tomorrow, so I will not be waking myself up early. I'll do Thursday and Friday, and then that should get me to 11. And then I need to get 3 more next week. So I'll do Monday, Tuesday, and then probably Wednesday as well. And that should keep me covered. Obviously, like, I could do Thursday, but what if it rains on Thursday? Then I'd have to do Friday. So I could gamble, but I could also get rained on like, you know, Monday or Tuesday, and if that happens, then I'd want to do the Wednesday. So yeah, obviously it's not ideal. I wish I had more at this point. But I was trying to be like efficient and only do it as many times as I need to. It's like, you know, there's days where I'm going to be awake at those times, and there's days where I won't. And obviously the days that I will be awake, it's not enough. And sometimes there's rain. So anyway, plan is only one stream tomorrow. There'll be no visitors, so it'll literally just be a check the store situation, and that's that. Hopefully nice and convenient. I mean, quick and easy, rather. Maybe not convenient. Maybe not the best word. Let's just grab the price real fun. Not that that matters. Okay, still a good price. Nice. Okay, if we look at this, we should be up 1. That is correct. This is up none. And that's good. Okay, great. I'm at 83% of items. I don't know if that's true. I should have sold, by the way, but whatever. So yesterday, it's like I got one thing from Katrina. There's one furniture that actually came down from the tree. The other tree, there were some empty trees, and I couldn't get another piece of furniture. And I don't know why it's not working now. Like, somehow whatever I've done is making it so it's not working. Quite annoying, I would say, actually, believe it or not. But what are you gonna do? Anyway, yeah, so we should get 2 more aerobics things this week, not tomorrow. That'll be 11, and then we have 3 next week. Should happen. I mean, there'll be 2 for sure, and then we just need 1 more. And there's rain, you know? But, like, maybe it'll rain tomorrow, and it's, like, it's telling me that I made the right decision. Yeah, you know what? Let's have it rain tomorrow, and then I'll just be good for a bit. Anyway, I'm feeling pretty tired today. Long day, obviously, as I've often been having. What do I have to say? Gamescom was like today, wasn't it? I haven't watched anything. There's also the 45-minute presentation for Kirby Air Riders. I haven't watched that. That's pretty cool. Silksong news. There's some sort of premiere on Thursday. We're so back. We are so back. We're so back. For realsies. So I don't know. I assume they're dropping a release date on Thursday. Maybe I'm getting ahead of myself. Maybe I'm getting my hopes up. But they've been cooking this for a long time. I would say that it's about time for the game to come out. Maybe. I mean, I'll obviously wait as long as I need to because I know it's going to be a great game. But yeah, that comes out like, oof, I gotta make plans. Clear the calendar, I say. I'm gonna have to just load through my characters. I made a throwaway offer on like an N64 controller, a green one, because I was like, ooh, green. I thought that would be a good idea, you know? Like, ooh, let's do a little throwaway controller, or throwaway bid, whatever. There's an Arapaima there. I got it the first one I saw, I caught no problem, but then yesterday I was just like, nah, you're cooked, dude. Forget it. Like, what is that? These things are crazy. Like, they're so specific on, like, some of them. Like, you're telling me that's too much? Enough? Okay, that's like... Come on. Dude, like... Oh, this is cooked. This is so... Every time. Get out of here. It's not even, like... Is this even worth the effort? Is he gone? Did he go for it after he was fine? Like... Whatever, man. They're not that rare. I don't think they're worth trying to get either. Unless I don't know. It's a pain. Anyway, where am I going? What am I trying to say? I don't know. I really don't. Oh yeah, I don't know. Now I have to buy this controller now because my offer got accepted. I didn't think it would get accepted. Saved like $4 though. Throw tax on top of that, I'm saving like $5-6. That's crazy talk. You add that up, things change. Oh, can this be quick or like is it gonna be not quick? This takes way too long. It's so annoying. Yesterday, it gave me the right fortune immediately. First character. No, some good things, some bad things. Just like, boom, done. And now today, it's like, what? You got that. We're not going to do that for like another month or 3. Okay, that's not helpful, but whatever. I will now take your 50 bells. No, thank you. Anyway, yes. Jump scare. Anyway, yesterday I did lots of selling. There was 4 streams, which is kind of ridiculous, but you know, I got 50 mil basically. Huge. Now we just need to do that again this weekend, and then like, oh man, we'll be living the dream. So yeah, we're like 10 minutes in. This will maybe be a 20-minute stream. I guess it depends on if I get the fortune or not. But that's all I have to do today. And then I won't do the morning thing tomorrow, and I should be fine. Just I need to prioritize my sleep. Because yeah, it messes me up. Yesterday, I think I was able to fall back asleep for a bit, but I'd rather not do that tomorrow. Other days, sure. Tomorrow, nah. Alright. Let's find another Arapaima, am I right? Oh, good. I did get rid of that, okay.
Nintendo.
Okay. Let's just get this over with. Anyway, yeah, Founders Day's on Thursday. That's the only important thing this week. I have to reload the game later tonight off stream to get the next visitor going. That would also be important. Okay, so yeah, that's the only like new thing that I need to put away. We haven't got anything new that's important in a while. That'll change eventually. Yeah. Okay, if this works, great. If not, whatever. It's like 8 minutes of my life, maybe 7 minutes, I don't know. I mean, yesterday it was quick and easy, but I didn't get anything. So, I have a bummer. Well. That's it for today then. No luck with Katrina, but that's fine. Anyway, like I said, I'm pretty worn out, so I'm happy to just get this done. And yeah, tomorrow will be pretty simple. And Thursday will be fairly simple, maybe? I don't know. Depends on who's visiting, but we gotta get the model. And Yeah. We'll make it work. Alright, well, that's it for me. I'm getting out of here. See ya.